Everyone checks out. Even Realities just dropped their next-gen smart glasses, the G2. And they've brought a friend, the R1 Smart Ring. This combo is set to change how we interact with our tech. The G2 glasses are a major upgrade. They're slimmer, IP67 water-resistant, and boast a 2-day battery life. The display is sharper too, showing things like AI prompts and notifications at different depths, so you never lose focus. Plus, they support a much wider range of prescriptions. But the real game changer is the R1 Smart Ring. It's a sleek controller made of ceramic and steel. You can navigate the G2's interface just by touching the ring. No more tapping your glasses or using voice commands. It also doubles as a health tracker, monitoring your heart rate and steps. Even Realities is also introducing a new AI feature called Conversate that provides real-time info during your chats. The G2 glasses are $599 and the R1 ring is $249 for a limited time. If you buy the glasses, you can get the ring and other accessories for half off. What do you think of this duo? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech news.